Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss string interview questions. This is important string interview questions. 10 years, 12 years experience also. That person's also attending the any interview, software job interviews. We should face this type of interview questions. I will explain. 9 questions I have. I will explain. This is my website, Jaladhi Soft Technology website. Actually, I have two websites. Is there? You can go to Google. Just you can type Jaladhi Soft Technologies. You can type here. Here you can show. This is also my website. This is I'm implementing. This is developing website. This one in this website, trainings is available. Trainings is available. You can check here, trainings are available, and general knowledge also is available. Developing also we are providing. Developing also we are providing. Android development, Android development, web application, web designing, academic projects, to student academic projects. So we are developing. Here my contact details also is there. You can check this. My contact information also is there. This is my one of my website, and one more website. This is the one more website. This is a blogger. Normally this is calling blogger. This is calling website. Why means here showing .com, or here not showing, here showing blog spot.com. This is not wrong. Now we can discuss string interview question. See, first question I will show you in program also. First string S1, string S1 equal to empty space, string S2 is equal to null. So question is, what is the output of S1 dot length statement? Answer is, it's display 0. Second question, what is the output of S2 dot length statement? This length statement, this length statement. It display null pointer exception. Now we can check in practical way, in programmatical way. Now I'm opening Eclipse. I will create the one class. Go to class, interview, string interview, string interview, string interview. Click finish. You can check one by one. Main method, we can write main method. Here, what is the first question? String S1 equal to null, string S2 is equal to null. This is empty. Actually, normally calling empty. That means no value. This is the first question. String S1 equal to empty like this. String S2 equal to null. What is the first question is declared here? What is asking first question? What is the output of S1 dot length statement? You can write this out. S1 dot length. S1 dot length. Here I will put question 1. I'll put like this, question 1. Now I will run. First you can check this one. That answer is correct or not. First you can check this one. See, 0. Here answer at what answer is done? It's display 0. Now that's correct. What is the next question? What is the output of S2 length statement? No, we can write this out. Here we can write question number 2 plus S2 dot length. S2 dot length. This is our question. We can check what is the output of this question. See, first question showing 0. Second question through null pointer cannot invoke string dot length because S2 is null. This is a null value. This is an empty value. This is nothing is there. This is just an empty value. That's why this is displaying 0. This is a null value means this is displaying null point exception. Empty means Kali. That means you can take example of empty box. Empty box means inside the box nothing is there. That is empty. Null means the box also not there. That is a null. That's why this is a one of the interview question. Need to remember. Next, go to second question. String logical question second. Here, what is first one? String A is equal to A plus B. String A is equal to new string of ABC. This is a literal. This is a object. Second, what is the output of A dot equals of B statement? True. It is showing true. What is the output of A double equal to B statement? This is displaying false. We can check in practical way. First, we can go to this is what you can write. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You can select this one, right click. Refactors. You go to extract method. Method name, question one. Sorry, yes, question one. This is a separate method. Now you can write some another question. Just now we can declare. Similarly, you can create one more. Wait, static void us question two. String A is equal to, sorry, okay, you can write S1 equal to ABC. Similarly, string S2 equal to new string of ABC. First question. What is first question? SYS is out. Here, question number one. Don't confuse. Plus, this is what is first question here? What is the output of A dot equals B? This is AB. Here we are writing S1 and S2. Oh, S1 dot equals of S2. First, you can check this one. Then we can go to next one. Oh, sorry. We need to call this one. We'll comment it above. That is getting null point exception, some little bit confusion. Now I will run this one. See proof. That's what here say. Here string st1, string st2 equals means y means see y is, I will tell you next step. I will tell you second person. You can display second person. Then I will explain next one. Yes, 1 double equal to S2. Okay, display. Now we can check what is the output of both. False. This is not displaying S2. System dot print dot and then okay, we can leave it table. Why this is getting true? Why this is getting false? Normally, S1 double equal to S2 means this is comparing reference variables. This is a first reference variable. This is second reference variable. That's why S1 equal to S2 is comparing. S1 equal to S2 is comparing. S1 and S2 is comparing, but that is not equal. That means reference variable is comparing. That's why this is getting false. Why this is getting true means S1 dot equals of S2 means this is comparing this data. This is not comparing this reference variable. This is comparing inside the data. what is exact data is there in string variables or string objects. That is comparing. That's why this is getting true value, this is getting false value. Like that. That means we need to compare inside the uh, value. Suppose you can take one example. Or you can take two square boxes. Any two square boxes you can take. You can take any two square boxes. In the square box, normally you can compare the two square boxes means both square boxes is common size, common size. We are observing, okay, both are common size. But inside the content, no. Inside the content, need to compare. That is the reason here getting true or false. S1 dot equals S2 means that is getting always true. Why means inside the content is comparing. S1 dot S2, S1 dot S1 equal S1 double equal to S2 means that is comparing reference variables. Reference variables means S1 and S2. This is as the reference variables. That's why this is getting false. This is the second string logical question. You can go to third string logical question. You can see string A is equal to new string of ABC, string B is equal to new string of ABC. Similar question, but here is using literal. Letter one is this is a literal, this is a object. Here using both objects, but questions are same questions, but both objects. You need to check this one also. What is this output of this? I will write one more method. Right? Static void question 3. String S1 equal to new string of double quotes ABC. String S2 is equal to new string of ABC. I will copy paste same thing here. These three things we need to check only these two questions. So I will copy paste same thing. You need to call this one. Yeah, first this I will comment at this one. Confusion purpose I will comment it. This is a third question, third logical question. Now we can check what is the output of these two things. Now also getting same output. Why means S1 dot S2 is S1 dot equals of S2 means this is comparing inside the content, inside the string object or string letter. That means these are the comparing. This content is comparing. That's why this is getting true. Why this is getting false means this is comparing reference variables. Reference variables always different. Normally, what is reference variable in Java means reference variable means identification purpose. You can declare any object or any variable. JVM create one reference variable. Why means that is identification. This reference variable using this one. This reference variable using this one. That means like in real-time example, you can check human names. Suppose you can buy any dog or cat. We are using, that means we are uh, putting the names to the dog or cat animals. Like that. We are using some names. That means identification names. That purpose we are using reference variables. That is mean by reference variable. This is the three important Java questions. Next video, I will explain another three questions. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Before signing off, I am requesting, could you please subscribe and support me? We will meet next video.